Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you a little bit an advanced strategy with the same 9 simple moving average and 45 exponential moving average on the RSI. Let's just dive right into it. So now this is going to be it is going to have a little bit more rules than the simple one that I gave you before, that you were just going to enter on the cross and exit on the recross. Now here you have a little bit more rules. This is why I'm calling it a little bit advanced, because after you get the cross you are not going to enter right away. You are going to wait for interaction of RSI with one or both of the moving averages, right? So now you are not entering on the cross, you are waiting for an interaction of the RSI, and after you get the interaction you are waiting for a rejection, and then on the rejection basically you are entering. What means a rejection? It means after you got the interaction of the RSI with one of the moving averages, you are waiting for the RSI to curve down if it's for a short, or up if it's for longs, you see. So basically you are going to enter right here at this candle. You see right here at this candle you are going to enter on a short, and you are going to set your stop loss above the swing high. This is how you are going to calculate your position sizes. You always have to have a stop loss, guys. This is crucial. Never ever enter a trade without having a plan where you're gonna exit and setting your stop loss. Never do that, because you cannot make money that way in the long term. Now, yeah, this is basically, it's not much more complicated, but you have additional rules. So now when you get the cross, one more time to repeat, when you get the cross you are not entering, you are waiting for interaction. Once you get the interaction you are waiting for a rejection and entering right here. So now I prepared you examples, so I will not bore you like in the previous video where we spent a lot of time going through the examples. Now I prepared it here for you, so it's gonna be much faster and easier, and you can stay focused and memorize much better. So now what's going on here? Now this is a Bitcoin USDT 12-hour chart. The cross happened right here. Let's look again. So the cross happened right here, you see. I mean the green crossed above the red. Do you enter here? No. With this strategy, no. With the previous you can. With this, no. You are waiting for interaction of the RSI with one of the moving averages. You got it here, basically the interaction. Now you are entering on the when the RSI starting to curve up, right? So you got the interaction here. Now here you are waiting for the price, the RSI to curve up, and right at this candle you are entering, setting your stop loss here under the swing low, and look what's soon to follow. This is a professional and amazing setup, guys, that I'm giving you right now. So you see what follow after that. Bam. Now what is beautiful here is that you got a divergence, and just like you remember, you can utilize divergence as an exit. Now the moment you got the divergence you could have exited, right? You could have exited. Now here there are another stuff you can see. I mean, just like I showed you before, if you see a hidden divergence that follows a regular one, you are going to re-enter, and you can re-enter and ride it up as well. But this is the setup that you are looking for. Now you got a perfect exit on a divergence and you made 1 tons of money. Let's say that you exited somewhere here, you made 24% in matter of how long is that trade, from here up to, let's say you got a divergence here, let's say that you exited somewhere here, 7 days, you got around 23%, which is a massive profit. Now here I prepared you some more examples. Let's go through it together so you will see what's going on and we will practice together. So you got the cross here, right? The green above the 45. Now this is a 2-hour chart, 2-hour time frame. Now you get the cross. Are you entering? No, you are waiting for interaction, right? So you got the interaction here. It wasn't really interaction. Here you got the interaction, right? So now what are we waiting for, guys? We are waiting for a rejection and bounce from the for longs from the moving average. Now you got this right at this candle, you see. Now you are entering long at this candle, you are setting your stop somewhere below these levels here, below the support. Basically you are riding in up the bad boy. And what did we got here, guys? This is another beautiful divergence from here to here. Now you are exiting your trade, right? Taking some profits if you want. If you don't want, you risk yourself to go through that and to lose all your profits. So what did we make here? Let's say that you exited at this candle here, bearish engulfing candle, and confirmed divergence, because you see the RSI already curved down. So you made here 6% in a matter of hours, right? Now what do we got here? Now this is a perfect example because it's for the short side, right? So now you got the short cross, the green cross below the red. What are you waiting for? Interaction. You got the interaction here, and the rejection is right at the next candle. You see how the RSI, what do I mean by rejection? When the RSI curve basically down here, this is a rejection right at this candle. You are entering here. I put you a little bit of a hammer because you see what soon after your entry happened. You enter basically at the perfect spot, and then look what follow. And then what happened is you got a perfect divergence as an exit. Low, lower low on price, bullish divergence, low, higher low on RSI. Somewhere probably around here you are exiting. And let's see, what did we make on this trade? You entered here, and you are exiting somewhere here. Let's say at this candle you made 10.5% in one day. 10.5%, guys. I don't know, you this is just incredible. Now what do we have here? Another perfect example which actually occur right now. You see this just happened basically today, or is now 3 days ago. 3 days ago. And let's see what happened. So you are getting the cross, you are waiting for interaction, right? This is not interaction, you are waiting for a clear interaction of the RSI with the moving average. You got it here at this candle, right? On the next candle, rejection and entry. This is your entry, guys. This is your entry right here at this candle, long entry. And another beautiful divergence as an exit. So now you could have exited this trade right here, somewhere here. How much did we make on this trade? From here up to here, you were going to be able to exit. You see right at this candle, you are going to exit, seeing the divergence 10.5% in 2 days, basically in 2 days. Yeah. Now if you see after that reasons to re-enter on a hidden divergence, you can re-enter and continue to ride it. Now let's see where we are here. Let's see some more examples. What do we have here? We have the 9 crossing below the 45. We don't enter on the cross with this strategy. We are waiting for interaction, right? So the RSI got interaction here, but you see it's not curving down, so we are not entering, not entering, not entering. Right at this candle we are entering. This candle is our short entry. Entering here. Oops, sorry guys, I have some alarms. Sorry for that. So now you are entering on this candle, and the stop loss is above the swing high, right? And you are riding the bad boy. And let's see, this example is kind of interesting because let's look what happened. Let me remove this box. So okay, you got a divergence here, so now you are exiting on a divergence, right? Taking profits on a divergence. Okay, beautiful. You entered here, you made very nice profits. Let's see how much did we make. You are exiting here on this candle on the divergence somewhere, or I mean this is the worst case scenario, you can make even more, but anyway, you are making more than 6%. And now this is a beautiful example because I can show, because what follow after the regular bearish, this is a beautiful example, just like I told you before. Now you can re-enter because what we saw that a hidden bearish followed the regular bullish, you see. So basically higher high on the RSI, lower high on the price. This is a hidden bearish. Now you are entering. Where are we going to enter? Do you remember the video with our hidden divergences? You are going to enter when you see the RSI curve down and your stop loss is going to be above here, and you see that you had another nice run. So basically you are going to enter, let's see where, right here at this candle, and you are going to exit somewhere down here because you what followed after that was another bull divergence, right? From here, lower low, equal, a little bit of an equal double bottom on the RSI. So you are going to exit somewhere when you saw the RSI curved up, basically somewhere in this range. So total you made like 11% on this trade, and this is beautiful example how you could have re-entered. And even if you did not, don't worry about it. This will happen, of course, at times. Don't ever worry, you still made money on this trade. We are in this game to make money, right? Not to be perfect. But this is the ideal scenario that you could have played. Now here is another beautiful example. What's going on here? We are waiting for the cross. Now after the cross we are waiting for interaction. It happened right here. On the next candle you are going to enter there on the rejection, entering here, setting the stop loss somewhere above these levels. And what happened? Beautiful divergence. You are getting a beautiful divergence as an exit. You are exiting somewhere on this candle, and you made, in this example, you made like almost 4%. Basically, in the worst case scenario, the worst exit, you could have exited here and made more. Now let's look at some other example. What happened here now? You got the cross right here, okay? So now we are waiting for interaction. Which happened here. You are waiting now for the RSI to curve down. Exactly, so right on this candle you are going to enter on this doji candle, entering, setting the stop loss somewhere above these levels and riding it down. What happened is that you got a divergence again, so you actually got a perfect exit on a divergence, taking profits. And yeah, you made another nice profits here. Let's see, you enter somewhere here and exited in the worst case scenario at this candle 15.5%, which is massive. I mean, yeah, in 5 days basically. Yeah, so this is it. This is the strategy, guys. You can go and backtest it yourself. I'm not going to go through any more examples. I show you different time frames. So you see this is the 4 hour. Here we have again the 4 hour, the 2 hour. Yeah, so basically different examples. You can go and test it on your own, and I will cut this video so it's not gonna be so much long like the previous one. And this is it for this video. See you in the next one.